Bless us.
Huh?
He has sent his angels.
I am recommending you for a commendation, Streamer.
No. Thank you.
You would resist a badge of honor.
Keeping my brothers alive is the only honor I require.
That is heretical behavior! This galaxy is not yours to devour.
Our brothers in arms need our help. Let us hurry.
Shield must have malfunctioned. Unleashing frag grenade. Sending frag grenade.
Throwing frag grenade.
Shoot them, not me! Changing rounds.
Not sighted. Wiped out. Preparing discipline.
Reload. Stop that target from riding fresh woman. Fast in the Emperor's glory. That silence intended fire city. That is heretical behavior. Incendiary fresh magazine.
Setting thermal charge. Magazine exhaust. Resources acquired. Fresh cartridge.
Your battle awareness is impeccable, brother. How do you hone those instincts?
Banner, ready to
Reduce all
deploy.
unnecessary chatter.
Understood.
My battle awareness would be less effective without your Auspex focus.
You make a good team.
Rearm.
Reporting in from the tower, Captain.
The Minotaur does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. It's enough to demolish the bridge.
Fresh magazine. Successful.
Fresh cartridge. Execute that one, lest it summon aid. I still have explosives in place, but charge is wired.
Explosives prepared.
Reload.
Big for the present.
We crush the ravenous brood. Shoot your weapon out. Blessed stand. Amplify our magic.
Direct me to where I can place these charges.
If I fall, may I be resurrected in a furious body of steel and vengeance.
Direct me to where I can place these charges.
Stabilizing traumatic wound.
Enhanced attack. I still have explosives in place, brothers. Inserting rounds. fresh cartridge.
Support mine.
Jetzt mit der Gemeinschaftsführung alles aus. Jetzt gibt's ihn.
I still have explosive detonator primed.
Ambush prepared, Captain. The Hive Tyrant will reach your position shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Ist das doch für das Linie-Stück hier? Alles klar,
Stay alert. Lictors use biological camouflage. See your weapon are hot. Our glorious battle straight for sour.
Presence of toxins. Deteriorating threat.
Changing magazine.
Fresh reserves.
Unwavering, despite the grip of battle. I am not done with this fight.
Death averted. You are ready to re-engage the enemy. I am able, ready.
You honor Gilliman's legacy. No one back. Tonight, fresh magazine. Ammunition expended. Our banner awaits unfurled.
Do not let them go. My father could see this. Astartes! We were not expecting such illustrious company in the rear ranks. We've got a handle on these probing strikes, my lords. It's the relay that's getting hammered right now.
The leader beast will cross that bridge, and in short order, die to our tactics.
That's news. Without armor support to tackle a target that big, we may have to bring down the supply bridge.
All elements needed are prepared.
Is this a withdrawal order?
Negative. The objective is the Hive Tyrant, not the bridge. Defend this position until the Tyranid command unit is executed.
Understood, my lord. May the Emperor guide our lasguns to your support.
Incoming! Ready up, 8th! Show the Emperor's angels what we are made of! Swarms on the bridge!
More enemies on the bridge!
Got a pile up below. Don't let them climb.
The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but it is a horde of Xenos between you and
Fresh magazine!
You have its attention. It is moving to intercept. Apply more pressure. They're on us! They're on us! If they move as one, so shall we!
You failed that order! Reload!
Guards over the wall!
Take evasive action.
Heretical behavior!
Keep your eyes peeled. The Xenos never beast within visual range shortly.
Skittered to the grave, Xenos! Remain stalwart, brothers!
I've never seen such an atrocity. Hold.
Anlatam,
Give the hive beast a moment. Detonate the charges
Beine
now.
kürzer geworden. Alles anders? Ja, die Beine ist kürzer.
Swap to close quarters war gear. Talassa here. We got the hive tyrant. It is not dead.
Clarification requested.
The swarm would go feral without their connection to the hive mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead.
Confirmed.
We can hold this position, Lords. We'll keep the swarm off your backs while you hunt that thing.
Where shall I plant this flag? The target is still struggling under that wreckage.
Ready. Hive mark. Rearming. I have observed your silence, Valiance. How is your morale?
Strong. I would share my reflections, but I have observed you seeking the comfort.
That is considerable.
I try.
Noted.
Press our advantage.
Pursue and eliminate. We will not have a better opportunity to finish it off.
Fresh magazine! See your weapon That silenced the two little chitty.
committed to this course.
Talassa, report.
Pursuing quarry.
Talassa, you cut out. Repeat.
Nothing but static now. Is this the dead zone?
Our duty remains unchanged. Forward!
Enhanced tactic ready.
That's not me! This galaxy is the door to power. Fresh cartridge. The Xenos leader bescales the building. Take to the roof. Load up!
You appear to be reeling in your advance.
I do not wish to range too far ahead.
Your pace is adequate.
Then I will trust you will tell me otherwise.
Affirmative.
Inserting round. For the Imperium of Man! Grenade release! I am bravely injured, brothers! Stills ejected. Fresh magazine!
Raw energy readings just shot past fatal levels.
Rearm! Launching fragment! Sustain heavy damage! That is hereditary behavior! Reload! Reserve empty!
Rallies to the sun. dead! I require assistance! For my brother!
Victory, regardless of price. Sending fragment. Shoot your weapon out, punch! Going into the tunnel!
Titus, this is the ready. We've silenced the demonic cacophony in our ears. Excellent work, brother. Any contact with Talassa?